Hello, welcome to today's video, and I'm going to show you how HLOOKUP works. So I want to look up SKU1 in this array, and I want to have a comeback of the stock value, not so much the value quantity. So go to formulas, lookup, HLOOKUP. So the first value is, what value am I looking up? That's SKU1 in B2. Then I go to the table array, and I'm going to select this. I want to look it up in this array. I want to have a value returned from that array that matches B2, and that's going to be from the warehouse east, so that's 1, 2, row 2. And I want to have an exact match, and that's 50. If I copy this across, that works fine. Next one. If I copy this down, you see that things start moving. So I don't want that. Let's fix that. HLOOKUP. I want to have B2, and I'm going to add a $sign for the 2. So it's stuck to the second row. The table array, same array. I'm going to select the row, and I'm going to press F4. That puts $signs, so it fixes to not only A to G, but from 10 to 14. And because it's a different row, it's south, I have to enter 1, 2, 3. And I want to have an exact match back. When I copy this over, I get a perfect score, or what do you want to call it? But if I copy it down, what I'm getting is, again, 30, but that's because it's returning from the correct SKU, from the correct array, the third row. So I have to change that to 44. And now I can copy it over, get the correct answer. So for this one, I do not have a value in this warehouse list, but there is one on sheet 3. So how do I fix that? Go to formula, lookup, HLOOKUP, and I want to have this value. And I'm going to go to sheet 3, select the array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row, and I want to have an exact return. Copy it across. Is that correct? Yes, it is. So this is basically a simple version of how HLOOKUP works. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. If you want to know more about XLOOKUP, XLOOKUP is my next video. Please share the video, subscribe, and like the video so I can continue making videos. Thank you for now. Have a nice day. Bye bye.